Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a really nice lathe that just came in. This is a manufacturer of Jet. It is a 16 by 60. It's a gap bed lathe. And what that means is right here you'll see there's actually a pretty large section. This whole section will come out of the lathe and you'll have a big gap in there. Right there you could swing almost 25 inches. So right now you have it set up at 16 inches. Pull the gap out. There's a faceplate that comes with this machine. You can see that right here. And the faceplate is going to go onto here, and you can use the actual space within that gap to swing some bigger pieces. A really nice option on the lathe. Never know if you'll need it, but if you ever do, you do get to go up to that larger size. Another thing comes on this machine is a four-way tool post. It's got a work light, steady rest, a follow rest, has a 3 and a 4 jaw chuck, both come with this machine. We'll go ahead and show you how everything runs. Very nice running machine. Head sounds really good. A really nice option on this machine is an Acu-Rite. It's got a 2-axis digital readout here. What that'll do is when you're turning your cranks here, you'll be able to see it move. Makes it a lot easier than having to read your notches on the actual marking of the handles. So right now we're in threading mode. Go ahead and show you threading. There you go. All the handles here are really nice and easy to use. Pretty simple, all in a good ergonomic state. I'm going to go ahead and stop the lathe and we're going to go over to feeding. So first thing I'm going to do is turn it off. You'll see there's also a foot brake, and that stops the spindle immediately. Right now we're going to go ahead and switch this over. We have to get the feed screw to turn on here. There is a little jog button here to allow it to fall into place. There we go. Go ahead and start the lathe again. We'll put it into the feed mode. Right here is the on and off for the feed to clamp and unclamp. And here is your longitudinal and your cross feed. So right now you can see it's go ahead and feeding very slowly. We'll pull this up. And you can see here's the cross feed. We'll go ahead and move it again. You can see this also has a coolant nozzle. Now, one last thing here we'll do is we'll go ahead and change the speeds. And right now we are running at, see we have these dials here, it has an A and B and a C. We're on the A and we're in the position of about 415 RPM. We'll go ahead and stop that. Let you see the brake work again. See it stops it instantly. Machine's ready to go. If you're interested in this lathe or any other new or used, we do carry all different types and brands as well as all the support and accessories and tooling for them. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.